Hi, my name is Garbriel Green, and I'm currently studying the Honors Bachelor of Business Administration at the University of Niagara Falls, Canada. I chose UNF because of its strong focus on innovation and its digital mindset. The university really prepares students for an evolving, technology-driven business world, and that's something that really stood out to me. I decided to study the HBBA program because I'm passionate about business, strategy, finance, and leadership. I wanted a well-rounded degree that would open doors to many opportunities in the business world. What I enjoy most about the program is the hands-on learning and real-world application. Our classes are interactive with group work, case studies, presentations, and discussions that help us think critically about real business challenges. One project that stood out to me was a business case analysis where we evaluated a company's strategy and proposed improvements using technology. It really strengthened my analytical thinking and creativity. The instructors at UNF are supportive and approachable. They provide valuable feedback and share real-world insights that help deepen our understanding. To future students thinking about the HBBA program, I would say answer the call of your future here at UNF. It's a place where practical, innovative, and supportive learning experiences are truly valued, and the program prepares you for success in the business world. My name is Garbriel, and innovation flows here.